Hey everybody, I wanted to jump in on a ticker that we haven't looked at before, COWI, going for 000017. Question here is this ready for a buy? And I'm looking here and we see a long-term bullish pattern, bullish trend with that 200 moving up very smoothly, doing well there. I love how you've got the 20 that is crossed back over the 50. That 20 is the red line and that 50 is the green line. Clearly this is a good strategy. Whenever I have that red on top of the on top of the yellow, things go well, just as I did here with the red and the green and the yellow. We see that moving well. The thing that concerns me is when one of them moves up at a faster tick than the other. So you can see right here, obviously the red's moving down from that large downward movement and eventually curves under the green, right? And that's when you start really just kind of getting into the belly. And I'm wondering if something similar is happening here where it looks like the green is curving up at a much faster pace than that red. I look here at RSI, and I see that the RSI here was at a high. I'm wondering if that RSI here is going to go back up there. I look at that and it looks like there's a pretty solid resistance right there. I haven't been able to break through recently. This is interesting. The MACD making less of a high here. So we've got a lower high there on my MACD. It is above the signal line, which is great. But I am pretty satisfied, I think, with my on balance volume. Volume's so important on the stock. I mean, look at the massive volume, and then it just shoots up, right? So we really need more volume to come in, and so that's something I'm looking for. I do have a buy. I'm in buy territory for ADWM. My slow stochastic looks like it's doing all right, but it's not reaching for higher highs, basically, is what I'm saying here. I go into the 3-month here again. We're in good buy country. That's great. But look, that slow stochastic, I really want to see it being more daring. I'm not going to say it's waning, but it's just kind of not really impressing me. This was a great move. You see right when it crossed over that 50, that's my 20. Things just booked, but look, that green is just curving up faster than that red is. The red's really kind of consolidating, and so I'm curious. I've got my eye on this. If I was going to be more proactive in my caution, I might want to see where it goes. Here we are on the 1 month, and sure enough, we're in sell zone. We've got a sell signal here. And that makes sense for me. But slow stochastic on the shorter term looks like it might be curving back. This I like. I like this. We're below the signal line, but we're curving up. That's encouraging. That's actually the most encouraging thing for me because I feel like that's when I might be getting it at a bargain. Look at the 5-day real fast. Buy country there. Slow stochastic's doing fine. This is that. We're basically just trading in a range. If it were possible to buy in at 0.0015 and if you're able to sell at 0.0018 and make enough, that'd be great. Or if you're bullish on this, then grab at that 0.0015. I do know that my buddy D was telling me that the stop sign has been removed on OTC markets, which is always positive. Again, there we go into a sell signal, slow stochastic curving down. Got a nice red candle there, pushing it lower. Ooh, RSI not making me happy. But I will tell you, on the intraday, if you can get the RSI to get into that oversold category, it's usually a good time to be buying because it'll swing back up ideally. But we're not seeing the joy that we were feeling back there. Not seeing the joy that we were feeling on the 5-day. Back around in here. Anyway, that's my take on COWI. I think if it were me, I'd be looking to really quickly just jump in. If I were looking for entries and exits, I'd probably be looking to enter right around here at 0.0015, and I'd be cautious that it could that green 50-day simple moving average could curve up over the 20. and at that point I would probably cut my losses. But it's anybody's game. Cheers.